Hello friends and welcome to our school management software. I'm going to show you a demo of our software, what our software can do for you and its other features. Our software contains three different modules, one for admin, second for teachers, and third one for students. You can log in as per your role. Let us go into admin demo. Our admin demo has many features to maintain a school very properly and in a systematic manner. Today we will get an overview of this system. At first you can see the events. When you add the events, those events will be shown in this calendar as sample event is shown here. Here you can see an overview of the school. This many students are there, so many parents are there, teachers quantity, and the employees number, total income, and the total expenditures of the school for a particular given session. These are dummy figures, need not to be real. Okay. What is in the academic section for us? We can see here are the classes, sections, subject, syllabus, material, live classes, assignment, and submissions. Classes are normally the normal classes that we see in any school, like first class, second class, third class, 10th class, 11th class, and 12th class, and so on. It may be any numeric or alphabet class. See here, when we add a class, we give it a class name like PhD and a numeric value. Or we can write here class 10th for the schools, 10th here. Or we can write diploma in any stream here and any numeric code here, just like this may be code of the course. So you can use this software in at any level, whether you are an institute or a small school or a bigger school or a college or any other education institute, a coaching center. You too can use this software. Here are the sections. You can create any section for any class. Subjects. Normally you need to enter the subjects for any class. Here are some subjects, history, and the class teacher or the subject teacher is here. You can see class name and the teacher's name. You can add here. I'm not going to add some subject here right now. I will show you how you can add the subject in any other video. Today we are just going to get an overview that what is available in the software for us. Here you can write the name of the subject. Any subject you can write here. English grammar. Here you can give the code as we go for classes, author's name and other details. Here are the syllabus. You can give syllabus. You can add a PDF. Sorry, you can add a syllabus in PDF form or any PPT or TXT form, document form, or any form that you think is usable for the student. The student can download or see it in his or her own system when they log in. Material. This is the study material. Here you can add any study material for the students. This also can be PDF, DOC, DOCX, PPT, and PPTX or TXT file or any JPG file, any image file if you want to. You can here one. This is school name. This is English worksheet, chapter 12, class 10, and you can download here. And this is the upload date. You can also add live classes in the system. Can add live classes on Zoom, Gmeet, and let me see here. You can add Jitsi Meet, Zoom Meet, and Google Meet, as you can see here. You can add here class, section, subject for which you are going to take the class. Subjects are not right now available here because we have not selected a class. Let me select it for you. Here section, here subject. You can select any subject for which you are going to help the class, teacher's name, who is going to take the class, live class type, and so on. Then you submit here, the class is added, and in reference will be sent to all students and the teachers. Assignments. Assignment is another form of study. Here you can add and see the previously added assignments. Same case here, you can add, you can also send SMS notification or email notification to the students and teachers. Submissions. Submissions are those tasks that has been submitted, those assignments that has been submitted by the student. You offer the student some assignments and student did whatever activity was in the assignment and submitted their assignments, which you can see here. Then comes the lesson plan. You can here add during the academic year this how many subjects you are going to cover and for which subject. Let me show you here. For the academic year April 2022 and 2023, for the class 10th chemistry subject, you are going to cover chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These chapters are to be covered in an academic section. Now comes the topic. These are the topics that will be covered during the academic year. These are for the demo purpose, dummy. These need not to be complete. Okay, when you will add in real world, you will add real subjects and real topics. Let me show you one here. For this school and this academic year, for this class subject English, lesson 1 Gautam Buddha will be taught and these topics will be covered. Notes can be omitted or can be given as per teacher's choice. Lesson timeline. Here select the class. I am going to select 10th class and this is the default. We have created no more classes and English subject. You can see in this academic year for this class and this subject, we will cover the subject, the life of Gautam Buddha from October 1st to October 2nd, 2022. And same is the case for English. In English, grammar, part of the speech will be covered. We can date here from 1st March to 3rd March. During these timelines, we will cover grammar parts of speech. We can update here. Data updated successfully. This is a timeline for the study of the students, so that we should set the goals and meet the goals and make the student more progress and grow in the life using technology in our teaching. Come to lesson status. Here again, I need to select class and subject and then find. Here you can see lesson 1, it is completed and it is incomplete. One is completed, another one is incompleted. So this is showing incomplete. When the teacher will taught the teachings of Gautam Buddha, he will give you a date and here again, and then it will be completed. It has been completed. Dates are not here editable because dates were given here in the timeline. So whether these things has been completed or not during the timeline set in lesson timeline. We can't change here times, because if we can change times here too, then this will lost the any meaning. Lesson plan. This is lesson plan. This is lesson. It is still complete, incomplete. Start date, end date, and the life of Gautam Buddha. And this is also life of Gautam Buddha, teachings of Gautam Buddha from this date to this date. But this is completed. Both has been completed. So we also need to we have to mark it here completed. We have marked here both complete, but we did not mark it completed here too. So it was not appearing as marked in lesson plan. Now let us see it here. You can see completed and you can see here to completed. This is a report card for the teachers, whether teachers are meeting their goal. So our system give you another age over the other schools. We have a good means to verify how far we stand in meeting our study goals. This is just parents list. The dummy list. We have not given real names here. Here you can add parents, and then you can admit their students, their son or their daughters in the school. This gives us an option under students, student types. There can be so many student types in the school, some under sports quota, some under scholarship, some under sibling, some under distant or brilliant students, or any other category you can make. That depends upon your school and your school policy and your preferences. Student lists. It is just a list of all the students available in particular class, like 10th. In 10th class, we have these students. Here the page 2, click here, and here remaining students are appearing. We can also add here name, admission number, and so on. Information will fill in and submit, and student will be added to our school. Here, at this time, I'm not going to add any student for time being only. I will show you this all process in a separate video. Teachers. Same is here. Departments. These are different departments of the teachers. Like science department, Hindi language department, there will be teachers under Hindi language. This is the English department. You get here. This is the psychological department. This is commerce department. This is public relation department, and so on. You can make as many departments as you want, as per your school policies and your thinkings or preferences. List of the teachers. Just one list. Here you can see stars given by the students to the teachers, so that the admin of the school admins can decide how the teachers are going to the expectations of the students, whether students are really finding the teachers useful or not. Just let us see it here. First popularity, then we see class lectures. It is here. You can see one student, Sanchi Sharma, has given this comment about this teacher. So when the same or such comments come for a teacher, you can understand that this teacher is really going to be liked by the students, and this teacher is really adding some value in the life of the students. And here you can see another comment. Always very angry and punishing us. You can of course understand that this teacher is not going to meet the school's goal. I'm not blaming anyone, but the admin can take appropriate decision. If the many students are making such comments, see 100 or 200 students saying same thing about a teacher, then the admin need to make some decisions about the teachers and have to go into that what is really going on. Why such unfavorable comments are coming for the teacher only, and so on. Equally, you can reward the teachers who are getting more favorable comments. This is just for admin purpose. You can ignore these comments totally if you want. Next is the class lecture. These are the lectures which you can add on YouTube and give a link here. These will also appear in the students panel when students will log in. They can click on the video and see the video. Here you can click on view. And this video will play when I will click here. You can see this is real-time video. Teachers can make their videos and upload here. You can add one video from here. You can use YouTube. You can use Vimeo. You can use PowerPoint platform to upload your videos. Next is class routines. This is just like a timetable of the activities or the teaching, when what teaching is going in the school. You see here from 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. English subject is going to happen by this teacher and this room. And similarly, you can see here, or you can add one as per your preferences or your school system by going through here. Okay. This is the attendance. You can add attendance for student, teacher, employees, absent email or absent SMS. Just like here, you will select the class, select the section, you will give a date. Today I am going to give, it is 28th. Is there. You can mark all present or one student as a late coming, this or like this, because a student can be either absent or present or late coming, not all. So it is late coming. Just like you can edit. Same case for the teachers and same case for the employees, absent email. By here you can send an email just like admin, teacher, student, class 10th. You can send this student an email that why he or she is absent from the school. List leaves. These are the list of leaves. These are the types. An accountant can make a leave for any purpose, for any type. There is no restriction. But students can request for leave only in case urgent work or sick leaves. Total leave will be granted 10 for sick leaves in a month, and total leaves for urgent work will be granted 6. And here you can add leave applications. These are the leave applications that we have received so far. Whether approved, waiting, or declined, you can do here. List exams, exam grades, you can add here exam grades. Top class will be given to those students who will obtain 98% marks. Second class will be same, and third class will be same. We will give it a grade point 7th if a student gets the marks 96 and 97 between these or these marks. If a student gets 97 marks, he will be granted 7th grade point. And if he gets or she gets 96 marks, he will also be given 7th grade point. Exam terms. These are the exam terms. First term exam will be from this time to this time, August 1, 2022. And we can edit the changes dates because now we are running 23. So 22 will not be here. We can update them by clicking on edit. Schedules. These are the our date sheets. For second term, for class 10th, subject history, the exam will go on 23rd September 2023 between this time 8:15 to 11:15 a.m. in the room number so and so. The data is older, but this is for dummy purpose. These are the suggestions and so on. These are the attendance of the students in the exam. Exam marks. You can declare the exam marks when the exam will happen. Like mark sheet, academic year, exam, second term, class 10th, and section A for which student. You can see here written exam 40 of 10 40, tutorial 0 marks 0 of 10, practical 40 viva voice marks 20 of 10 19 and so on. Here you can see result cards. You can send the marks by email, by SMS, result by email or by SMS. Online exams you can hold. You can make question banks here. Just to show you an example, class 10th, English, find. Here you can see questions and their type, fill-in type, multi-answer and so on. Student will need to answer them when you will make a question paper out of these questions. Online exams. Here class, here subject, general English, class 10th, subject English, total question 5. This is demo purpose, sample. In real, you can add 50 questions or 50 questions or 100 questions, that depends upon. Here you can add. Okay. Promotion. When a student passes a particular class, say a student has passed the 9th class, you can promote him or her to the class 10th and so on. Scholarships. If your school has some scholarships, you can add the students here for the scholarship. We have not added so far. We can add here class 10th and student name who is going to compete or who is going to receive the scholarship. Here you can add the donors who are going to fund scholarship. Generate a card. Here you can generate ID cards of the students. Here you can make the settings, color, logo, and so on. Here you can make the settings for admit card, color, school name, some titles, and so on. Here we can actually generate, let me show you, ID card for the student. Here is the ID card for the school, for the student. Here is an ID admit card for the exams. Which term? Second term. Which class? 10th. Section A and the student. Here you can see this is our school logo. This is name. This is the title. And here you can see school details, student details, student ID, student name, section, roll number, blood group, date of birth, and here the exams. This is the photo of the student. So you can generate both ID card and admit card for the student and can save printing expenses too. Here are the certificates. You can add here a certificate type, name of certificate and so on. And here you can generate and admit, a certificate for the student. Class 10th section, certification type. Because we have not added one, we have not designed a certificate for the student here, so it is not appearing. How to design a certificate and how to generate, I will show you later on. Other modules are library, transport, hostels, inventory, message, mail and SMS, complaint, announcement, human resources, payroll, accounting, reports, miscellaneous, templates, front office, administrator, settings, and profile. I will give a rough idea, a rough overall outlook, overall idea of these options in a later video. For time being, we have done up to certificate. Thank you. You can also contact us here for live demo of this software on Zoom or TeamViewer. So now let me close this video and let us meet in a next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.